The Airbus A350F 2026 represents the next evolution of modern air cargo transport, blending advanced technology, fuel efficiency, and operational flexibility into a single aircraft designed to redefine the freight industry. Built on the strong foundation of the A350 passenger jet family, the freighter version introduces a purpose-built cargo design aimed at meeting the rising global demand for sustainable and efficient air freight solutions. It stands as a direct competitor to Boeing's 777F and upcoming 777-8F, bringing Airbus back into the forefront of the large freighter market after years of passenger jet dominance. The A350F 2026 is powered by the Rolls-Royce Trent XWB 97 engines, among the most fuel-efficient powerplants in the world. These engines provide exceptional thrust while consuming significantly less fuel than older models, contributing to lower emissions and reduced operational costs. The combination of lightweight composite materials and aerodynamic design helps the A350F achieve superior fuel efficiency. Airbus claims up to 20% less fuel burn compared to current freighters in its class. This makes the aircraft not only cost-effective but also compliant with the most stringent upcoming ICAO co-emission standards. One of the standout features of the A350F is its extensive use of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, which accounts for more than 70% of the airframe. This results in a lighter yet stronger structure, allowing for a higher payload capacity while maintaining long range. The aircraft's maximum payload is expected to be around 109 tons, making it highly competitive in its segment. This structural advantage enables operators to carry more cargo farther while minimizing fuel burn and maintenance costs, making it an attractive investment for cargo airlines. Airbus designed the A350F with a new, larger main deck cargo door and optimized fuselage dimensions specifically for freight operations. The aircraft can accommodate all standard industry pallets and containers, ensuring seamless integration into existing cargo systems. The cargo hold layout has been optimized for efficiency, allowing for faster loading and unloading operations, reducing turnaround times at busy airports. The attention to operational efficiency demonstrates Airbus's understanding of the critical role time plays in cargo logistics. From a performance perspective, the A350F delivers impressive range capabilities. With a maximum range of approximately 4,700 nautical miles at full payload, it can connect major global hubs without the need for refueling stops. This capability allows airlines to streamline their long-haul cargo networks and serve intercontinental routes efficiently. The aircraft's combination of high payload, long range, and reduced fuel burn gives it a strong advantage in both performance and economics. The cockpit of the A350F shares commonality with the rest of the A350 family, allowing pilots to transition easily between passenger and freighter versions. This reduces training costs and enhances fleet flexibility for operators that already use Airbus aircraft. The advanced avionics suite includes fly-by-wire technology, large touchscreen displays, and state-of-the-art flight management systems. These features improve pilot situational awareness, reduce workload, and contribute to safer and more efficient operations. Airbus has also prioritized environmental sustainability in the design of the A350F. The aircraft is built to meet future carbon reduction targets and can operate on sustainable aviation fuel (SAF) blends. By offering lower emissions and noise levels, it helps cargo carriers align with global sustainability goals while maintaining profitability. The freighter's eco-friendly design makes it one of the greenest, large cargo aircraft ever produced, setting a new standard for the industry. Inside the cargo hold, the A350F's environmental control systems ensure that temperature-sensitive goods, such as pharmaceuticals and perishables, can be transported under optimal conditions. The system is capable of maintaining consistent temperature zones throughout the flight, ensuring cargo integrity from departure to arrival. This makes the A350F particularly attractive to operators serving specialized cargo markets such as medical supplies, electronics, and luxury goods. The aircraft's maintenance program has been designed for maximum efficiency and minimal downtime. With advanced predictive maintenance tools and health monitoring systems, operators can track the condition of critical components in real time. This digital approach allows for proactive maintenance scheduling, reducing unexpected disruptions and extending component life cycles. The integration of digital solutions reflects Airbus's commitment to enhancing reliability and operational readiness. The A350F's flight deck also features improved ergonomics, with intuitive controls and modern interfaces that simplify pilot interaction. The fly-by-wire system enhances handling precision, while automated systems assist during all phases of flight, particularly in adverse weather conditions. Combined with the aircraft's inherent stability and aerodynamic design, these features make the A350F one of the most pilot-friendly freighters on the market. Economically, the A350F positions itself as a highly profitable aircraft for cargo carriers. With lower fuel and maintenance costs, extended range, and greater payload capacity, it offers superior total cost of ownership compared to older freighter models. The aircraft's efficiency translates directly into higher revenue potential per flight hour, which is crucial for logistics companies operating in a competitive market where margins are often thin. In terms of global operations, the A350F is expected to appeal to both dedicated cargo airlines and passenger carriers looking to expand into the freight market. The surge in e-commerce and time-sensitive logistics has created an unprecedented demand for air freight capacity, and Airbus's freighter is poised to meet that demand with unmatched efficiency. Its flexibility makes it suitable for express parcel delivery, intercontinental freight transport, and specialized cargo operations. Airbus's investment in the A350F also reflects a strategic move to capture a significant share of the freighter market currently dominated by Boeing. With the 777F nearing the end of production due to new environmental regulations, the A350F emerges as a modern, regulation-compliant alternative ready for long-term service. Its advanced design ensures it will remain competitive well into the 2030s, giving operators confidence in their fleet planning. Feedback from potential operators has been highly positive, with several major airlines and cargo companies expressing interest or placing early orders. The combination of lower emissions, improved economics, and modern systems resonates strongly with carriers seeking to modernize their fleets. Airbus's emphasis on lifecycle value and operational flexibility makes the A350F an attractive proposition across a broad spectrum of freight operations. Overall, the Airbus A350F 2026 is more than just a new cargo plane. It is a vision of the future of sustainable, high-performance air freight. It brings together cutting-edge aerodynamics, advanced materials, and intelligent systems to deliver a freighter that is efficient, capable, and environmentally responsible. As global trade continues to expand and environmental regulations tighten, the A350F stands ready to lead the next generation of air cargo transport with precision, reliability, and eco-conscious performance.